Hey folks, it's Tommy Z, and yesterday I told you the 7 frequencies that your life runs on. Whether you like it or not, whether you choose to compose within them or not, those are the 7 frequencies: faith, fitness, mind, body, and soul; family, fruit, your calling; folks, your relationships; finance, and fun. Every life has these 7 frequencies running, whether you choose to compose them or not. And this day is the only unit of time that is directly under your control. Today, we talk about the harder part. Most people, especially successful people, not with a big S, but people who achieve an extraordinary amount of success in one area of their life, they focus obsessively on 1 or 2 frequencies. This is like playing chords with 2 notes. This is like plucking 2 strings of the guitar and only focusing on those strings. That's not a full chord. That's not a full composition. That is not a fully satisfying song. You may not realize it at the time because you're playing that 1 or 2 strings really loud, but there will come a time when you will realize that what you've been strumming is only 2 strings. And what you've been looking for is the sound of a full chord. Just think of the founder or business owner whose marriage or family time is running on fumes. Just think about the artist who's creating their best work while their body is falling apart. Think about the father who prides himself on spending a lot of time with his family, which is great and everything, unless he's running from the calling of his dream. See, the masterpiece life would ask you to do both, to combine those frequencies, to spend time with your family, but not using your family as an excuse not to answer your calling. Think about the person who does silent retreats 6 times a year, but won't message a friend, won't have perhaps a difficult conversation in a relationship that matters to them. Do you see now how certain things that appear to be good are actually excuses to run away from something that deep down you know you have to face? In other words, we focus on those frequencies that seem to be going well, that make us feel good. Feeling good is not always the best barometer for what is right and what unlocks the highest good. So here's the important question I want you to answer today, right now, because that's all we have. Which of the 7 frequencies, which of these 7 strings has been silent in your life? Which of them have not been played, perhaps in a long time? Do this exercise quickly right now. You can close your eyes, have a moment of silence, and just go through each of them. Faith, fitness, mind, body, and soul; family, fruit, my calling, my work; finance, and fun. Which strings have I been plucking, and which strings have gone silent? I don't want you to try to fix anything right now. Awareness is always the first step to real transformation. It may not feel good to become aware of something, but again, it's not feeling good that unlocks the highest good. It is facing what actually is and then creating an intentional choice. That's what the artists of life do. So I don't want you to fix anything. I just want you to name it. And I want you to sit with it in silence. And when you get uncomfortable, or maybe it even brings some pain to acknowledge that certain frequencies have not been attended to, maybe in years, instead of despairing, I want you to congratulate yourself, because this is success. Becoming aware and being able to accept the areas of your life that may not feel comfortable, becoming aware of it and accepting it is success. This is the starting point of a great transformation. Now, once you sit with this, tomorrow I'm going to talk about why the small daily rhythms matter much more than some big project, some big revolution, some big proclamation or declaration or New Year's resolution that many people are trying to force into shape. I'll see you tomorrow.